Dear student, class 8 English version. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 14, Sustainable Development Goals. Look, you already know, and previous lecture already told you, United Nations established on 24 October 1945, and it represents 193 members. And the first coordinated development attempt taken by the UN was MDG. It means the elaboration from Millennium Development Goals for the period of 2000 to 2015. And UN declared global aims for sustainable development on. So UN declared Sustainable Development Goals on 25 September 2015. Very, very important for your MCQ. And it is another name of sustainable development, transforming our world, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. And SDG has 17 goals. Bangladesh has immense success in MDG. Now we are working to achieve SDG. We will come across the action needed for attaining SDG. Look, lesson 1, the importance of sustainable development goals in perspective of Bangladesh. The prime objective of SDG is to achieve economic, social, environment development through removing, so we can say prime objective of SDG to remove poverty from all countries of the world. UN member states fix 17 goals, 169 objective and 230 indicators for sustainable development. In fact, the UN member took action SDG from 2016 according to their own context. Our country has already succeeded in achieving MDG, which had 8 goals. Bangladesh has turned into a lower middle income country by achieving MDG. Now we have to achieve SDG if we want to build digital Bangladesh. Now at present Bangladesh government vision to establish the digital digital Bangladesh, and for this purpose they already taken a lot of activities. Become a middle income country by 2021. We know that positive change of any situation is called development. It cannot be termed as sustainable development if the result of development is something adverse. Sustainable development is a holistic approach where natural resource will be utilized proportionately to meet up human needs without damaging or making them harmful. Actually, this para said, or this para means development is a positive approach. Development concept is a positive approach to meet up human needs without damaging or making the natural things fall into harm. Rather, precautionary measures will be taken beforehand to reduce the harmful effect considering the probable impact. It is necessary to grow bumper crops to remove hunger. You know, in the world, all over in the world, and the people of the world want to remove hunger, but excessive use of pesticide will affect human health. But new technology, pesticide, it's very harmful. Its excess use is very harmful to human health, environment and biodiversity. Even you use when you use um, excess pesticide in your cultivable land, then it affect on um, human health, environment, and biodiversity. Even self-sufficiency in food and in this way cannot consider development, sustainable development. So we have to calculative and careful about the use of pesticide while increasing food production. And for this purpose we have to train up our farmers, and um, they have to we have to inform them how to use pesticide in the cultivable land. We have to work in a way so that it might reduce social inequality through economic growth, considering the sustainable future for all. With the process of rapid urbanization, we must build an eco-friendly city life. It is very important. You think, Dhaka is not suitable to live the people because the air of Dhaka is more fill up more lead and sisa. Bangladesh is a lower middle income country. Its land is unproportionate with its population. The development activities are not always planned to accommodate this huge population within the limited area of the country. As a result, the lives, environment are seriously affected. If our countries succeed in achieving SDG, the positive result would be like the gap between rich and poor will be reduced. Our nutrition demand will be met if sustainable agriculture system is implemented. Sustainable the at present world, or the genius thinker thinks sustainable development or emphasis sustainable agriculture, or expert thinks sustainable development, sustainable agriculture system is implemented or very urgent to implement this system. This will result in hard-working, healthy people. A hunger-free society will work for skill and competent human resource. People will be conscious if quality education is ensured. If you go to the rural area, you will not find any quality based education. This consciousness could play a vital role in solving various problems of the citizen. Gender equality, very very important. Pure drinking water, sanitation, new invention in energy sector, equality. If we invent new invention energy in energy sector, then we will reduce and we can reduce loss of energy. Equality and opportunity in and we can reserve energy for our next generation. In employment will take place if the process of sustainable development is on. Building infrastructure, conservation of natural resource, taking proper step to mitigate climate change, and patching with other countries will be easier. Especially balance among the animal kingdom, very very important, because if we exploit on nature, exploit nature more and more, then imbalance situation will be created. So balance among the animal kingdom and natural diversity will be maintained, will be ensured. Desirable urbanization, balance between production and consumption, social justice, good governance. Good governance is very, the three wings of good governance, emphasis on the present thinkers. like transparency, equality, and global partnership and cooperation, etc. Transparency, equality, and accountability. These three wings are very important to establish good governance, or for good governance. We will get preference in the development activities. Besides, it will be easier to take coordinated steps to solve citizen problem. Bangladesh has been implementing SDG with a view to making the best of the above stated opportunity. Look, lesson 2: action needed to achieve sustainable development goals. We have learned the importance of SDG in Bangladesh perspective in the previous lesson. To achieve SDG by 2030, we have many things to do. We live in cooperation with each other in the society. This society has two types. So how many types of fabrics are there in the society? Two types: social fabrics and natural fabrics. What do you mean by natural fabrics? The natural fabrics includes natural environment, which includes soil, water, trees, aquatic plants, animals. On the other hand, social fabrics, what do you mean by social fabrics? Social fabrics includes social environment, the environment of social religion, caste, culture, heritage, economic system. These elements differentiate one society from another one. We have to work for the development, conservation of both the environment. Look, here is a very important line. The three major areas of sustainable development are environment, first one environment, second one economy, and third one society. We have to add these three components. We have to priority the three component any kind of development program if we want to make it sustain or sustainable. So the three important areas are economy, environment, and society. Climate is an important issue to think about environment. We have learned about, if we take a closer look at the world around, we can see the result of climate change. Actually, the climate change depends on what type of things and what we use, and how exploit our nature. The influence of both favorable and unfavorable weather is also evident in the climate of Bangladesh. Two types of weather, favorable and unfavorable. The soil of our country is fertile enough to grow crops because of favorable weather, like paddy, potato, pulse. It is very suitable for our it is very suitable to cultivate this type of weather. But the unfavorable weather makes our lives miserable. We have to face hazards and disasters like cyclones. A few days ago we already faced cyclone Amphan, storm, flood, drought, tornado, heavy rainfall, cold wave, etc. Our climate is losing its usual characteristics because of the ongoing progress of civilization, including changing lifestyle, use of newer technology in development, affinity to consumption. As a result, the temperature of globe is increasing. We are facing the greenhouse effect. Already we are facing this. Not only that, ecological imbalance is hampered due to climate change. Gradually, humans or animals are facing extinction. To tackle this situation, we have to find out sustainable technology to protect the environment. Then the climate might change, but we will be able to cope with the newer changes. For this to to work, special attention are needed to keep the natural and social environment. For example, forest, very important. Forest is an important source of our natural resource. But unfortunately, Bangladesh has only 17% forest are therein due to but a country required 25% forest. Due to rapid urbanization, population growth, trees are used for fuel, furniture and houses. Trees save human life. How? By providing necessary oxygen. On the other hand, taking carbon dioxide exhaled by human beings. Trees maintains balance between animals and plants. Actually, this is a circle, survival circle. So we have to continue tree plantation alongside cutting trees for our development and prosperity. How will we sustain city and society life? Huge buildings, necessary mills, factories, institution has been constructed in cities. This infrastructural development are not always sustainable development. When planned, you look here, buildings, mills, factories, many things included, but we cannot say it's sustainable development. When planned, forest, pure drinking water, clean water body, one playground, park are ensured, are included in this plan, then we can say and this development can turn to sustainable development. So we can say a city when a city will be sustained, the city will be sustained when these things will be addressed, like planet forest, pure drinking water, clean water body, one playground, park, sanitation system. The urban society is different from that of the rural one. In cities, it is found that the parents are staying most of the time out of home for employment. It causes problems. Children are grown up under the domestic help. Senior citizens are deprived of proper care. So it is necessary to establish cities with child care centers and old care centers. If we are serious about environmental balance, we have to emphasize the conservation of aquatic and terrestrial animal. We have the enormous Bay of Bengal, various kind of aquatic animals live there. They help maintain balance of nature. The main source of aquatic resource is fisheries. Many fish species have been extinct to meet up our needs. So we have to introduce such technology so that our needs can be met without causing any extinction of our fisheries. Again, the birds of the forest are including in the terrestrial life. If we kill them without thinking of their breeding and conservation, gradually they will be extinct from the earth. Actually, gradually it will be finished if we have not any protection or not any arrangement for breeding or conservation. We have to save them to save us. We have the largest mangrove forest, Sundarban, and its main attraction is the Royal Bengal tiger. The number of tiger the number of tiger is decreasing in the Sundarban because of constant killing. The expert identify it's a dangerous sign. Low cost, population pollution free fuel is very essential in our daily life. Fossil fuel harms on environment to a large extent. The use of coal and oil may be mentioned in this regard. Global warming is on the increase because of their excessive use. As a result, the climate is changing and biodiversity is hampered. We have to undertake sustainable fuel program to stop it. So we have to take a initiative uh, to increase the use of fuel, sustainable fuel. If we can implement sustainable fuel program, the other goals related to SDG are more likely to achieve. This will also contribute to save the climate, human habitation, aquatic and terrestrial life. The follow chart. Look. Look, cow dung, hyacinth, household liquid dirt, and it makes compost, and it compost biogas as product, and biogas used for biogas fuel used for cooking. This is a circle. We will now discuss the issue regarding economic consideration. If we want to reach a balanced position economically, our prime concern will be to remove poverty from every sphere. We have to ensure equality between production, consumption, proper distribution management. Besides, we have to create responsible consumer and implement necessary production strategies. For this, congenial working environment needs to be created. To achieve economic growth, we all have to work together, irrespective of male or female. Sustainable development is such a progress where development initiatives are focused, but remedies to minimize uh, adverse sides are also thought of beforehand. It has been previously mentioned that in the process special attention are taken to economy, environment and society related issues. For example, gender disparity is a much discussed about issue at present. We know that the women in our society still fall behind in terms of power and competency. They are not genetically conditioned in this way, rather is caused by the prevailing situation. Women possess equal power and competency as men in the society. To ensure equal participation and men and women in our development work, we must provide a level playing field in terms of opportunities. 50% of total population is women. We cannot think of holistic development keeping this 50% population of this society backwards. The women can play vital roles in different areas if they are provided with, if we arrange proper education, training, or if they are allowed to express their opinion, given opportunities for free movement. These issues need to be addressed properly to work for sustainable development. We cannot be contented with what we have. We have to set target to attain a better position comparing to other developed and developing countries of the world. We have to be careful so that peace and discipline in every sphere of the society. Define social and political economic institutions should be more strengthened. Our development experts have identified 5 important components for sustainable. There are this plant, progress, peace and partnership. We are the partnership of all development goods or bads of the earth. We have to work together to ensure all sort of global development, peace and safety. So to implement SDG, everyone participation is needed, and so everyone such as student, teacher, civil societies, boys, girls, through our integrated partnership, we could get a world which is developed economically, socially, politically and environmentally. Thus a sustainable, beautiful and safe future can be created and can be ensured. The activities undertaken by Bangladesh to achieve SDG look by the UN by 2030, ensuring quality education, reduction of carbon emissions, pollution free. So we have learned the action needed to address for achieving SDG, and now we will move towards development by adopting necessary steps. So we have to emphasize the 5 important components for sustainable development plan, and one is the most important is partnership development. Already government taken many of many project to take many project to ensure partnership development, and already government have a concept PP, public private public participation. So you read more, and have you any problem, have you faced any problem, please contact with me. Allah Hafiz.